I'm going to be showing you how to change font of messages on WhatsApp. There are some limited amount of fonts you can use in WhatsApp, so there are not a number of options. So you have bold or italics. So just open your WhatsApp first. It's right there. Open a chat so that you can create a text. After you're here, what you need to do is, if you want a bold font, you just need to make sure you use this letter, this sign right here, and just enter your message, whatever you want, and end it with the same sign, like this. And as you can see, this has been boldened. If you want italics, you need to use underscores like this. Just enter your text, ease it again, and as you can see, there you go. You can also try a strike-through font. You need to use this sign right here, write it again, end it with the same sign, and as you can see, it has been struck through. So in this way, you can successfully change the font of messages on your WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.